Hi everyone! So it's been a hot minute and I haven't filmed a video in 3 months or haven't uploaded a video in 3 months and I'm back. So I think my last upload was last January. I want to say the 2nd or 3rd week of January, and today is March 26th, so that's been a long time. Anyway, today I wanted to film a get ready with me because I just wanted to film a get ready with me. I wanted to update you guys on what has been happening in my life recently, and I'm gonna do that while I do my makeup. Okay. Right now, I'm going to moisturize my face using this Nivea Refreshingly Soft Moisturizing Cream. So this has been my favorite product so far in terms of moisturizer because I've been getting like dry patches on my face. I'm just gonna put this all over my face. It's kind of like a heavy moisturizer, pero if you let it sit on your face for a while, it'll stay and then you're good to go for the day. And it leaves you glowing talaga. Anyway, so what has happened to me? So I feel like, I was really focusing on well, not doing a lot of stuff for the rest of the break. And then, when school started, I couldn't start filming anymore kasi there was a lot of stuff to do. I mean, I did it naman last sem during Vlogmas. Pero it's way different. I don't know, I kind of not really lost motivation, pero more of walang gana or like tamad. Like when it comes to the weekends na I wanted to take a break. So, that's why I kind of stopped uploading videos. So I think a part of the reason why I didn't upload vlogs is because I haven't been able to upload my Korea vlog, which is 3 months late. I'll still be uploading that one just for the sake of memories. Pero, I've been putting it off and it's a really long vlog and it's a long process to edit the video. So I've just been putting that off. So I haven't been uploading, haven't been taking videos or anything. And we're here now. So, I've kind of figured that if I don't film another video, I won't be uploading any videos on my channel. So, we're doing this. We're gonna move past that. Okay, so, on to the life updates. So, first is, I got a haircut yesterday. Not really a big life update, but we're starting small. I got a haircut yesterday kasi my hair's been really long na. I cut 4 inches off. And I think it's very refreshing kasi I haven't been able to keep my hair groomed, like properly groomed in the day. Kasi, I mean, I'm not really a hair person. Like, I don't really try to fix my hair, like curl it like other people like every day. So, yeah, that's why I got a haircut. And I think I'm going to dye my hair right after this. Okay, hold on. So, I think I might dye my hair a dark shade kasi it's really been difficult for me to do my eyebrows with this hair. I know it's weird, pero kasi it's hindi bagay yung dark brows on this hair. But I'm still gonna do dark brows because that's all I know. Anyway, so I'm using this eyebrow gel from Daiso. This is my favorite eyebrow gel. Apply this first and then I'm gonna apply yung eyebrow products after. It's been very difficult to do my eyebrows kasi all of my eyebrow products are very dark. Kasi when I had black hair, I like to do my eyebrows really dark. And then I haven't been really good at doing my brows with this kind of hair. It always ends up too dark, hindi siya bagay, and all that. So the bigger life update is I recently broke my leg like 2 weeks ago. I was going home from rehearsals kasi I'm part of the prod in my org. So yung stairs kasi doon, it's not flat. Like, first of all, yung stairs, meron siyang chip sa edge. And then, yung floor doon, it's not flat. There's like a small hole there. And I was also wearing shoes with wedges. Like this, like an inch thick of like a wedge sa shoe. So that's already a bad idea. I mean, so when I landed, this is my right foot. So when I landed, it went like this. And then, it twisted to the side. Na-off balance talaga ako. And then, my entire body landed on this, like. And then, I was rushed to the infirmary. It was already 9 p.m. that night. And I was rushed to the infirmary. And then, I had to ride an ambulance or school ambulance. So that's exciting. I went to get an x-ray the next day, and then they just told me na, oh, there's no fracture or anything. So that was good. My foot was, it was very, namamaga siya, and then it was also bruised, as in, like a huge bruise aside. So I went to check up again in my school, and then they also told me na there wasn't a fracture, pero I should go to the ortho. So I did go to the ortho after I had to leave school. I went to the ortho, and then they told me I had a fracture. So I've been wearing this cast for about more than a week now, and I was supposed to have my checkup yesterday, pero na-cancel siya. So I still don't know. Kasi I'm supposed to find out if the bone was dislocated. Kasi if it's dislocated, I'm gonna have to get surgery. So that's exciting. So it's been very difficult to go around school with a cast. Most of my classes are very far from each other. At the start, I tried to use like crutches, but that didn't work out kasi it was too tiring. I had callos sa hands, and then it was so painful here on my upper body, and it was just exhausting. So I had to use a wheelchair na lang, and I use a wheelchair now all the time, and my friends push me around school, and I'm super grateful for them because if it's not for them, I wouldn't be able to go to my classes. I feel like I already updated you guys with my life right now. So where am I going? I actually don't have class today. That's why I was able to film this Get Ready With Me, and I'm going to a salon later on. I just got ready para lang I have a bit of time to do schoolwork before I leave. Then I'm gonna do schoolwork there. So there, I want to start doing YouTube videos again kasi I have more news. I have an attention span of a goldfish. Okay, so before anything else, I want to tell you guys that I had to quit the prod that I was in. Remember, I was talking to you guys about how I had rehearsals and then I fell, and then yeah. So that was 2 weeks ago, and then our show is supposedly next week. I don't know when you guys are going to be able to watch this, but it's on April 3rd. If you guys are watching this, go watch Freedom Wall. Yeah, it's going to be great, and yeah, that's exciting. Anyway, so I had to quit the prod kasi, well, first of all, my foot is not going to be healed by the time of shows. It's gonna be way too difficult, and it's gonna be hassle, not just for me but also for other people, that they're gonna have to take care of me sa shows. A lot of people said, oh, you can stay pa naman, like just use your crutches and stuff, but it's way too difficult, it's way too exhausting for me, so I really had to quit. So it's kind of sad because it would have been my second prod. I also wasn't able to update you guys that I did join our org's newbie prod, so I also acted for the first time for our org, and it was great. So the Freedom Wall, the one I had to quit, was supposed to be my second prod where I was going to act, but to these circumstances, that didn't work out. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I was going to use a palette, but it's in my room, and I have to get on my wheelchair and go to my room, go up the stairs, so I'm not going to do that anymore. So I'm just going to use a lipstick. This one is from ColourPop. This is their Brink Matte Lip Slip thing. I don't know, okay. Also, I'm sorry for the lighting kasi I'm only using natural lighting kasi it's still daytime and I rarely film sa daytime and I want to use the light. So I don't have to set up anything else. Anyway, so going back to that, given that I had to quit the prod, I do have more time on my hands, so that's why I want to kind of I kind of want to upload more videos, actually film videos and edit them. But I also have been very busy. I mean, like, even if I don't have like rehearsals from 5 to 10 p.m., I still get way too exhausted. I know that it's kind of weird kasi I'm in a wheelchair, pero in school, I genuinely feel way too exhausted after. Like, I go home agad after school. Like, I mean, I spend 1 hour after class in school with my friends, and then I go home. And then after that, I just feel way too exhausted kasi everything I have to do is way too exhausting and it's so difficult to not have my legs. So it's kind of weird, yeah. Oh, another major life update, I guess, is I also switched my track for my majors, okay? I used to be in nonfiction. If you guys didn't know, I'm taking up creative writing in Ateneo. And I was originally in nonfiction, in the nonfiction track, and then recently, for this sem, I'm already in drama. So basically, I'm writing scripts for plays. For the entire sem, we work on writing like one entire script, and that's what we pass for the end of the sem. And then next year, we're going to have our thesis, and we have to have our play produced. We have to find actors, the prod manager, and everything like that. So it's gonna be exciting, and I wish actually to document that process next year. Also, I'm sorry if I'm filming in a very weird location today. I want to try out like new setups for my videos. What else is big in my life? What do I talk about? The reason why I'm also filming this video is because I really enjoy watching yung mga sit-down videos, like people talking. I also enjoy vlogs naman, pero like I really enjoy sit-down videos where people talk to you about random stuff while they do their makeup. I haven't been really into mga makeup tutorials lang, so I'm probably never gonna, not naman never, pero I'm gonna rarely make makeup tutorial na kasi I don't think I'm the best person for makeup tutorials, but also I guess there's a lot of makeup tutorials na out there and I don't really do any weird quirky, unique looks. Okay, so what have I been into lately? I've started rewatching Gilmore Girls recently. It's my favorite TV series along with Grey's Anatomy, and I'm super in love with the show talaga. One of my biggest regrets in life, not really, pero one thing that makes me sad is how it's an old TV show. Like the actors in the TV show are quite old na now. It's sad na you're not really growing up with the actors in real life. Kasi I feel like there's this different kind of what do you call this? There's this different kind of satisfaction when you get to really like watch more interviews of these people in real life. But given that the show was really old, the interviews are also very old, and there's only a little of them. So recently, I've been trying to develop new skills. I know that sounds kind of weird, pero I've been really into Skillshare lately. I know you guys are probably like, ooh, Skillshare. You guys probably know what Skillshare is, pero I recently checked it out, and it's really, not recently, pero I've checked it out, and I really actually appreciated it, and I feel like it's super sulit. I mean, like you pay 5,000 a year, pero you can also have like yung 2 free months, and I feel like they have free videos out as well if you don't have the premium one. But anyway, I feel like Skillshare is really good if you guys are trying to what do you call this? If you guys are trying to develop new skills, like they have almost everything. Mostly the thing I want to improve on is graphic design or actually Illustrator. I really want to make my own posters, be able to draw, because I can't draw, like, to save my life. I really can't draw. I'm more of into like Photoshop, like but I really can't draw. I can't illustrate anything. I can't. So I'm really trying to develop that skill. That's what I'm really aiming for this summer. And I feel like Skillshare is really great for if you're the type of person who really just wants to develop a lot of skills. I feel like that's one of my really important New Year's resolutions is to develop a lot of skills. I've also been super obsessed recently with Arden's videos. Actually, I've been obsessed with a lot of people who do like sit-down videos like this, and I feel like that's what I kind of enjoy more than yung makeup tutorials. So I feel like people have been more into like people's lives talaga on YouTube. At least for me, like that's what I enjoy watching, and that's what I plan on filming more. So expect more in my Get Ready With Me sit-down videos. What else? just a bunch of chatty videos. I don't really know what I have to offer to this to YouTube. Pero yeah, it's weird because I used to be so uncomfortable with trying to talk to the camera, but now I feel like I'm rambling about no specific thing at all, but like just a bunch of stuff. So that's what you guys are gonna expect from my channel this year. I really hope that I'm able to film more vlogs. I feel like it's difficult right now that I'm in a cast and all, that I'm injured. Pero in the future, I really hope that I'm going to be able to film vlogs, at least like monthly vlogs or something like that. I don't know if that's something you guys are into, let me know. I want to improve on my content this year. I want it to be more personal. So that's what I really hope to achieve with my with my videos this year. And I don't know, hopefully just a bunch of random fun stuff that's going to make me happy and make you guys happy as well. So this is the finished look. Zoom you guys in a little bit. It's super natural and all that, just something like you can wear every day. So basically this is the first video I've filmed this 2019. And I hope that I know it's gonna be all over the place, but I hope you guys really enjoy these kinds of videos. If you guys don't really enjoy this, then that's okay. So if you guys enjoy the video, don't forget to leave a like down below and subscribe to my channel. And I hope you guys tune in for more videos in the future. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you guys next time. Bye bye.